Here's how to protect yourself from all the fly-by-night Christmas light guys. And I say that because there's so many people getting into Christmas lights right now. Really anybody that is in a seasonal business. So your painters, your roofers, your solar guys, your window cleaners, your power washers, your landscapers, you name it, they're in Christmas lights. But they're not the king of Christmas lights like I am. I'm Matt Green, owner of Indy Christmas Light Pros, and here is how you can protect yourself from all of the fly-by-night guys. And so this is what you really want to look for. One, do they have insurance? A lot of the guys that are just here today, gone tomorrow, they don't have insurance. They don't have workers' comp. They don't have general liability. And if something happens on your property, whether it's residential or commercial, you are screwed. They can come after you and come after you for all of their medical expenses, especially if they fall off of your roof. That is a big no-no. So make sure that they are properly insured to be doing any work. That's number one. Number two, the biggest culprit is they get on roofs one year and they realize that it's really hard and maybe they don't want to do it next year. But so two things are going to happen from that. One, they're never going to come back and take your lights down. So you're going to have lights up there forever. We drive through neighborhoods and we see lights up in July because they were never taken down. That customer got burned. And then the second thing is, even if they do come take it down, they're probably going to have you store it. That is the sign of an amateur installer. If they're going to have you, the customer, store the lights, and if they don't offer full warranties on them, that's another sign of an amateur installer. So make sure that they're doing that. Make sure that the company isn't insured, they're storing the lights, and make sure that they have Google reviews, Facebook reviews there. They're active on social media. Make sure they've been in business for a while. A lot of the fly-by-night guys that burn customers, they're here today, gone tomorrow. You might find them on a Facebook group, but even if you find them on a Facebook group, do a little research, make sure they are who they say they are. They should be easy to get in contact with. They should answer their phones and emails in a reasonable amount of time, and they should have Google reviews. They should have a really nice website. They should have all these things that indicate that they are a legit company, because you want somebody that's going to come back, rinse and repeat every single year and make your life easy. That's why you hire things out, is because you want this to be something that we take off of your plate so you just get to enjoy the lights. So make sure that you're hitting these little couple things, because that is going to make a world of difference for you the next year. Because guess what? If they don't come back next year, nobody is going to rehang someone else's lights, because we have no idea how they go up. We have no idea how to warranty them because they're not our products. They come from different suppliers. All these different things go into it. So make sure that you hire a reputable company the first time. Follow us for more tips.